Something that really puts a nice finishing touch on your screencast is the ability to add music to it. iMovie has a bunch of things they call soundtracks built in under audio. Under audio, I will select soundtracks. And over here, there are tons of great soundtracks. You probably recognize some of them from our other movies. I'm going to select, I really like the Frecleland ones, so I'm going to select Y and put that in there. You're going to notice that it puts it in the background. In other words, every time the speaker talks, the music will get quieter. Finding the volume of an object. Okay. Now there's volume, or there's audio in the background. You may hear a little light hiss in there. Finding the volume. So right here, finding the is when I start speaking. So I can select the split, go here and turn the volume all the way down, and now listen. Finding the volume of the volume will naturally duck. So because of that, it's really great when you're talking. And then when you can find that spot, if I zoom out, I can find that spot right here where I'm just doing work. There's no talking going on now, so I'm going to split it here. And then I'm going to find the spot where I actually do start talking. Again. So right there, I'll split it there. And here, I'm going to turn my volume down. And I'm also going to use the speed feature to speed this up. So now listen and watch what happens. See if you can figure out how much would fit in that box. So you can hear the volume naturally goes up. If you got 760, and when it starts speaking again, then you are able to hear my voice, and the music again naturally ducks. So that's a great way to really kind of put that icing on the cake of your screencast, so it allows you to really make it sound professional and engaging for the students.